Hello everyone. Have a nice day with nice view. You are seeing Pandola Bambarawana Eco Village. Wild resorts. Here you can enjoy swimming and take drinks. This is located in Galle district, Pitigala area. You can access light vehicles and some AC bus without any problems. Very beautiful and playful waterfall. Life is fun at this place. You can have 3 meals and drinks. Accommodation will be provided for reasonable prices with air conditioners and without air conditioners. Many tourists come to this place and enjoy themselves. Camping also okay here and have many tourists welcoming areas here. If you're planning to spend your leisure time here, please free to contact on 071 089 4276 number. See you soon in the next video. Subscribe, comment and share my videos. Thank you and enjoy. Bye bye.